fashion, this fashion aspect, how to look good. My subscribers has to look good, okay? Tips that can help you look stylish and expensive without breaking a bank, and even if you are broke, okay? Hello loves, welcome back to this channel. Welcome to the fashion aspect of this channel. Yay! So without delay, let us jump right into this video. But one thing I think everybody needs to pay attention to is their clothing, like the kind of clothes you wear. And I know that the number one reason why we wear clothes is to cover our nakedness, right? But let me just tell you that if you know as much as I do that, wearing clothes these days is much more than covering nakedness, okay? If you agree with me. So basically, if you have the understanding, then you know that, okay, you have to know the kind of color that suits your skin and the kind of material that you need to wear at the right time and all that good stuff. As a dark skin person, you have to know the kind of color that will match your skin tone, and a light skin person, you have to know the kind of color that will match your skin tone. Okay, so basically there are so many colors that you can wear, but this video is not really about me to make a video that will explain the kind of color that you should wear as a dark skin person or as a light skin person. Then definitely let me know in the comment section. I'll do that, okay? So but for this video I'm going to be talking about things that can work for both skin tone. I will start by saying that when it comes to clothing, the kind of clothing that can up your game, that can help you like to stand out in the midst of everybody, is trying to like buy neutral color. Okay, I think there's one color that people do not really pay attention to, or maybe people just like they just have one or two of it in their closet, is white. Okay, white is something that can match anything. Like, it's just a neutral color. It's a very, very mature color. You can wear it anytime, any day, and you will feel as if like you are wearing something so expensive and stylish. Here, from a white shirt to like a white top, or to like just a white like camisole, or to white just overall, just anything white goes with any skin color. And if you know how to style and wear it very well, I'm going to be inserting pictures of like styling white very well. You are going to stand out. It's going to make you look as if, this person is, this person is top. You know what I mean? So neutral colors are super versatile. You can always know how to switch it up, how to add to it, and all that good stuff. So if you do not have enough of white in your closet, please, what are you waiting for? Quickly go and get some white. And it doesn't have to be something all expensive, just a white nice top, something simple, something plain. Then that will take me to my next point. When you're trying to look expensive and stylish, you have to avoid clothes that has logos. Like this one I'll be inserting here. Avoid clothes that has so much logos. Like, it makes it look as if the outfit is cheap. I'm not saying that every clothes that has logo on them looks cheap, but like when you go for something plain and something like this I'll be showing on my screen, something plain, something that is not like too shouty or has too many information on it, it makes you look like this person knows what he or she is doing, because there's so many. They just pay attention on your clothes and your styling, not trying to read everything on your body. It just makes you look stand out. Yes, that's the word. It makes you stand out. So just try and keep it simple and keep it plain. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be talking about clothing is that try and gone are the days when people we used to wear everything skinny tops, skinny shirts, skinny everything tight up and all. The fashion level has moved from that, and it should have always been like that, wearing something not too tight, not too shimmy and all that stuff. And mind you, it depends on the kind of outing you are trying to go to. It's also good to have some tight fitted clothes in your closet, yes, because you might need that at some point. But if you really want to look stylish and all that good stuff, you can start trying out a little bit of oversized clothes. Not really oversized, I'm going to be inserting pictures. A clothes that do not really hug your body like that. It makes you look as if this person is actually comfortable and is dressed comfortable, not try everything tight and you can hardly move your body and all that stuff. And if you are the kind of person that like tight clothes, then you can just interchange it. Maybe you wear something not too tight up, then you wear something like that is very tight. It will definitely be your trousers or your pants that will be tight, then your upper body can just be a little bit free. So when you wear that kind of clothing, especially now that it's even trendy, like an oversized shirt, some people call it my boyfriend's jacket, all this kind of, even down to your pants, you can wear something free. Knowing how to style it, I'm going to be inserting pictures of what I'm saying here so you can understand what I'm saying. So if you're still there wearing like all this tight clothes, it kind of look, it makes people look kind of tacky, you know what I mean? So you definitely want to try this. The next one is accessories. Like, I don't know, accessories takes your dressing from a 0 to 100. Literally, that's just it. There is no lie about it. I'm talking about your coming from your earring, from the neck piece to your sunglasses and everything like that. They change the way you dress. You know, you're trying to look stylish and expensive. This is just a tip I think you need to follow. Pay attention more to your earring, especially. You know, for neck piece you can keep it simple, but I think earring you have to go for something that will really stand out in your outfit. So even if it's going to be something moderate, it has to be something that will really like look nice, look neat, look expensive, even though it might not be really expensive, so to speak. Look expensive. Okay, let me give you a perfect example. The way I'm dressed now, this earring really changed the game of my outfit. Just imagine me being in this outfit and not wearing a earring. You can imagine how it's going to look like. It's not going to really look, it's going to be there, yeah, but it's putting on the earring makes everything sparkle, and trying to pick the right earring, something silver, something shiny, makes this outfit actually come out really nice. And also you can, if you are a person that like bracelets, you can also, when it comes to your hand and your neck, I always feel that you should keep it simple. What you wear in your hair is very even if it's going to be moderate, like looks really presentable and really like attractive. Yes, that's the word. I'm going to be starting pictures, it makes you look more stylish, not like a bogus neck piece on your neck and all that. It kind of makes you look like you're just trying to add everything together just to dress up. It doesn't make you look as if you really paid attention to your dressing, if you get what I mean. But when you keep it simple on the neck, keep it simple on the hand, and then go for something that is really nice on your hair. And most of the time, if you have something really nice and big on your hair, you might not really need a neck piece. And this depends on the outfit and the kind of outfit you are going for, if you get what I mean. But just general dressing and going out and all that, you pay attention to your earrings. Like, earrings change the game of your dressing, like your style. It really changes the game and makes your outfit look more nice, like look more like attractive. And also next is this one. I don't know if you've not started using it, please immediately you finish watching this video, quickly go and get one, and that is sunglasses. It changes the game of your outfit. Like, it just gives you that rich auntie vibes. It gives you that like big girl vibes, if you know what I mean. I'm trying to say that, like, you can hardly see somebody putting on the sunglasses and it doesn't really fit the person. It might not really fit, but at least it will still attract you to the person. You make you want to look at the person one or two times. So just let me show you an example of what I'm saying. Okay, look at me now. Me without the glasses and me with the glasses. What do you see? Like, it gives you that, I don't know, is it big girl or very stylish, and the person that like a confident and bold like kind of look, and make people feel as if, wow, this person is really stylish. That's just it about sunglasses. Or if you don't want to use something big, you can just look for something like that. It's very small like this, you know. It makes, even if people didn't really want to pay attention to your dressing, but because you have sunglasses on, you just want to like check you from up to down. Like, that's just the way sunglasses changes your game. It just ups your fashion game. Like, the switch is just like a spark. Okay. This next one, your shoes. I don't know if I said, I mean, it purposely left this one to like second to the last one because it is very important to me. Like, on the scale of like, if you put on a list of like my priorities, like if you put clothes, shoes and accessories, I'm going to switch it for you. I'm going to put shoe first, because on my priority, shoe is number one. Like, for me, I don't know about you, for me, hey, shoe is very important, like than clothes safe. I believe for me, you can have few clothes like and have so many shoes. You can even have more shoes than clothes from, because shoe, if you know how to pick the right shoes, can switch up your clothing games. Like you can wear one clothes and wear different shoes, and it's going to be giving you different looks. Okay, like it's going to give you different looks and different vibes. So I'm a shoe person, and I just wanted to let you know that if you are not getting your style right, just trying to get size, please invest in shoes. Like buy shoes, like nice shoes. And when it comes to shoes, you can go for different colors compared to clothes that you might want to say that okay, let me buy this neutral color, let me buy this color. It's also good to buy colorful clothes, but not so many colorful clothes, because these days if you are trying to achieve a stylish look, you have to like come neutral, come simple, then but not for shoes. Okay. You can buy different colors of shoes, different type of colors of shoes, different styles of shoes. There's so many shoes out there right now. Shoes makes you look really stylish. It makes you look as if you know what you are doing. That is if you know how to pick the right shoes. And I would not say go for this shoe, go for that shoe. You just need to know what fits your leg and what fits the outfit. Of course, if you know if it's a corporate wear, you're supposed to wear covered shoe. You don't wear like open toe. Then if it's just like casual or anything, you can wear sandals. The idea of shoes, you need to know that you can go all out, any color, any style when it comes to shoe. You know, I'm going to be starting pictures of different shoes so that you can know with outfit to any outfit, and you know that like no, shoe is very, very important. Okay, that's just a secret I wanted to share with you. And before I finish on shoe, I just wanted to share with you that when it comes to shoe, let me tell you the best color of shoe that you can have in your closet that will switch your style from a 0 to 100. Like believe me if I tell you this, is white. Like guys, when it comes to white shoes, like your outfit really, it makes your outfit really, really stand out. Like as I'm talking, I have a white shoe, I have a white sneakers. Like anytime I put on my white sneakers, because I'm a lover of sneakers, anytime I put on my white sneakers, and best believe white goes with any color, especially white sneakers. When you're dressed casually, white sneakers changes your game, guys. I don't know how to like emphasize. I'm going to be in certain pictures, but it makes you look cheeky. It makes you look. There's no matter your size, no matter your body size, your color, your whatever, name it. If you don't have a white sneakers in your closet, please go and get one. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is your face. Okay, I mean makeup. I know not a lot of people are like a fan of makeup, painting your eyes and all, but I just wanted to put it out there that yes, you can still be fashionable and then like stylish with your bare face. When it comes like trying to up your fashion game, like a little makeup will do no harm. You don't really have to be a pro and know how to do your makeup and all that good stuff. Just a little touch of a powder and a little lipstick. And I'm also addressing people that love to do makeup a lot. I think keeping it simple should be the code when it comes to makeup. Not trying to like put a blue eyeshadow, red eyeshadow, black, brown, everything on your face. I'm not really a fan of that. Like just keeping it simple. Even we are going to use eyeshadow, neutral color, because at the end of the day, what we are trying to achieve is you looking stylish and fashionable, not looking like all here and there. No, you're not a rainbow, okay? So just keeping it so like having something like really, really natural, like just the way I look right now, like just something that will just enhance your beauty a little. Maybe I saw a kind of lipstick that dark skin people should actually use that I'm going to recommend. I'm going to make certain pictures that you should, if you don't have it, you need to like get it. It just complements your skin. It's not something, it's just like a neutral color. That's just one thing I just want to like let out there when it comes to me. So that's that about that. So lastly, I'm going to be talking about the hairstyle, like knowing the kind of hairstyle that fits you. And let me just say that Google is your friend. You can always go and Google hairstyle based on your color, based on your skin tone and all that. I would not really say like this is the kind of hairstyle you know, but if you really want to look stylish and all, I think more of straight hair. When you have a straight long hair, it makes you look kind of stylish and then all that. I would not really recommend like this kind of hair. Just like, and if you want me to like do research and come and tell you the kind of hair that fits this kind of person or that person, of course this is what this channel is about. Let me know in the comment section, okay? But I'll just say that okay, based on your kind of structure of hair, you should know the kind of hair that fits you. You know, if you have forehead, forehead like I do, I think most of us that have forehead and all that, like center pattern, like you have a hair that like is let down on both sides. The hair tends to cover your front and all that. It gives you that stylish look. And if you have edges, like mostly if you do hairs that like are up and like in dough, in buns and all that, those kind of hair that fits you, you know. But basically hair is just something that you what you're comfortable with. So I will not to call it all, like in the era that we are now, the trend and everything, we look at it like less is more. Like if you do less and keep it simple, like you get more result than just trying to like add everything, add this, that you can look good, you know. Just try, like just invest. If you can follow the tips that I've shared so far, let me just tell you that your fashion game will be up, like from 0 to 100, like I've been saying in this video. Alright, so let's move to your nails. Like if you're the kind of person that likes to like I would like to call it, use cortex, like take paint your nails, fix your nails, I think that would also helps you. What am I even saying? It helps you to look stylish, okay? Like knitting your nail, not something long and something, no, just something moderate and the right color, neutral colors. I always recommend neutral colors. Like, and if you're going to go out for color that is shouty, you should look out for something that blends with your skin. And the last but not the least, guys, like no matter how dressed, like how well dressed you are, how nice, how stylish you look, like how fashionable you look, do not forget to wear your smile, okay? At least we are talking about something that you can do within your budget. Smile, don't pay for it, okay? So learn to always smile, because if you have everything dressed up and you are uptight and looking khaki and frowning and all that, the outfit you wear, it will not really come nice. So even if it's just little you are wearing, okay, but if you have that lovely smile of yours that God has given you, it's free actually. So like it also adds to your like fashion, so it makes you look confident, stylish, and then fashionable. Like they makes you look as if you are confident in your skin, confident in what you are wearing, and also bold about it. So to not forget to always wear your smile, because that is the least least expensive thing in everything I've mentioned here. In fact, what I'm even saying, it is free, like totally free. So always wear your smile. With this, we've come to the end of this video. I hope I've been able to take your fashion sense from 0 to 100. Okay, I hope I've been able to fly your fashion sense out of the window right now. So go and use this tip that I've shared with you, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, until I come your way, stay blessed.